I'm Lucas and this is my bike check. I have with people OD bars by months. Then I have animal Edwin Delarosa grips. They're pretty good. Like I like them a lot and they last me ages. Then I have with people Mel Barons. Pretty nice as well. I still have a stock stem. Don't know why. Then I have with people forks. They're actually really nice. I don't know what make they are. Well, they're good people, but right. Then I have with the phone with I have the Fly Sergio Tyre, sexy, with tan walls. I have a stock rim for some reason as well. I have the Eclat Pulse front hub with the hub guard and GT pegs. They show pretty good. Then beside the stem, I forgot to say that I have WeThePeople Compaq headset. Then start with the middle. Then I have the Mothership Prime with Cold C. Then I have Ruben Graphite pedals with WeThePeople roll cranks. Can't really see the WeThePeople. Then I have the animal Sprocky Balboa Sprocket with Shadow Conspiracy chain. At the back I have a Eclat Pulse Cassette hub as well with proper spokes and proper back rim with a Fly Sergio Tyre. Right, I'm Lucas and that was my bike check. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.